Indiana. Lane 1, Madeline Cox, Indiana. Lane 2, Zoe Johnson, North Dakota. Lane 3, Gavin Wilson, North Dakota. Lane 4, Riley Wagers, South Dakota. Lane 5, Isla Leasing, Midwestern. Lane 6, Natalie Alvin, Illinois. Lane 7, Vivian Wanich, Bondage, Illinois. Lane 8, Quentin Padilla, Indiana. Lane 9, Kara Jones, Indiana. Here are your results. For event 61, girls 11 12 50-meter freestyle. Your alternates, Claire Liu, Camden Kirkson, Ryan Tolentino. Swimming in your heat final, Chloe Hernandez, Elena Spicer, Zoe Bratcher, Isabel Cox, Olivia Rosino, Gianna Gabriel, Gina Hench. And swimming in your heat final, Eva Spade, Emma Rose, Kyla Henry, Jewel Lee, Reagan Johnson, Angelina Drew, Peyton Nelson.